Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get rainbow icons and skins in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the step number 1, which is to open Geometry Dash, and from there, you just have to go to the icon kit. So here you can customize your icon colors and enable special effects like the rainbow mode. Next step is go to the shop and look for the rainbow shard or special rainbow items. So you may need orbs to purchase these special items from the shopkeeper. So next step is some rainbow unlocks are hidden in the treasure room vault. So open the chests with keys you've collected to potentially find the rainbow rewards. Now once unlocked, you go to the color section and enable the rainbow effect. So this will make your icon cycle through all the colors automatically. Lastly is now your icon will display a beautiful rainbow cycling effect in the gameplay. So you can show off your colorful style in every level that you play. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!